Hello guys, so today we are going to learn about how to use multer in your applications to upload files on the server. Okay, so here we are going to use Node.js and Express as a framework of our web framework, by which we are going to make our server and then we are going to upload a simple image. So to do that, first you need to download the library. Let me show you that. Multer, you need to download that. Okay, it's just an npm package and it's quite well known for uploading images on the server. Okay, so this is one npm install multer, so you can just install that. So first we are going to start it by just creating a simple express application and then implementing multer on top of that. So uh, just uh, uh, just choose any folder out there. Maybe just delete folder one. Yeah, it is going to delete. So just create a new folder and multer file upload. In here, just open up your cmd command prompt. Just open that and just type here npm init. And as soon as you create, so go ahead and create your first create your project in Node.js. So keep it that name. Sorry, that name is not a valid one. So just keep it whatever you can, uploader or something like that. Uh, app.js will be the name, and author will be Satyam, and yeah, this is okay. Uh, yeah, so we are done with that, and just open this in your favorite code editor. In this case, I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. You can choose of your own choice. It's really your choice to use whatever. So this you can use your start script, and in there we can then simply pass node app.js. It is there, and just create a new file here which is app.js. And in that app.js, first we need to install a couple of things in here. um, First one is obviously express, then multi. Keep it for now. um, we are going to install further more things afterwards. Okay, so yes. So let's go to their multi documentation to look what they have offered. um, this is what they got, like upload this one, so we are not going to use that. We have better options also, like this one. We are going to provide a destination to where we are going to upload a file, and this one is a file name, like what should be the name of our file. Currently I'm going to use simply date timestamp. You can use anything uh, depending upon your choice. So okay, so like this, if you want to use some file filter or something like that, and they have provided that also. If you want to have some file filter or something like that. Okay, so so in this video I'm not going to touch this part at how to filter files and all. uh, that can surely be gone uh, in our next videos, but in this video I'm going to just show you that how to upload a file, whatever, maybe it's a PDF or maybe it's the image, whatever, or how you're going to upload a file. So this is what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. Okay, so first we have to import two things like express and multer, and then we are going to create a route, simple route, uh, to to make to get started. Okay, so just write your const express is equal to wire express, and then we are going to put multer is equal to wire multer. After that, We need to create our first app. Then we need to app dot listen to some code. Maybe 80 will be great, I think. Yeah, because other ports are busy right now. So here we need to just simply say long server is listening. So I'm just going to open it right now and just use Nodemon right there. So my server is listening. So that's great. Next, we are going to just make a simple route here. Just initial route app.get slash there's a slash homepage where we are going to just do something like this and this, this from a response, and then simply say home page. And if we just go there, yeah, now our server is up and running. That's quite basic task we have done right now. So we are going to make a simple route of slash load where we are going to upload a file. So that should be post route app dot post, and here we are going to use something called upload, and then we have something like request comma response. So this is where our upload logic will flow, logic will go, sorry, the go here. So this is done. After that, we need to configure our multer to use that. So in order to do so, we need to provide a disk storage like that. There it is here. By the way, all things are coming from the documentation, so you don't need to worry about all the things. So like we need to create a disk storage like multi disk storage. Okay, and destination, we need to provide a destination by request file and callback and file name also. So so you need to provide first a destination. Okay, so we need to just go on the top of it and const storage is equal to multer dot disk storage, and in that we need to pass first of all is destination, and that destination will contain uh, sorry, a destination will like have a callback maybe. Yeah, it is going to have a callback. Okay, then it's going to have like request comma response comma callback, and after that this is going to return as a callback with first of all we have null, and after that in a part of destination like slash uploads. This is something we need to create right now. The folder, here we are, here our file will be uploaded. Okay, so here, so this is slash upload. Yeah, that's right, but this is not it. We need to reference it more relatively, but otherwise it will give us an error. Maybe it can give us an error. So in that case we might need to use something like string formatting, and like this one, this guy is right here, and this one, and here we need to use underscore underscore directory name. Why this is this refer to our parent directory. Okay, so slash uploads. So now destination path is ready. Let me see that whether I'm not it is not returning, it is just saying that callback, so we can also just pass it right like that. So the thing we're doing here, and again we need to pass this file name also. Okay, so this is simply doing what uh, here we are referring the file name, and it is going to get all the file and callback whatever we are getting from the client, and it is going to rename that. Okay, like file the field name plus, and it is concatenating it with the current date, so to save it like as a unique file name. Otherwise it will create confliction among the file and it will give us an error. So uh, first we need to just use this one, but keep in mind that here you can change it and name it anything. You can name it Superman also, but this is just a convention to just remember that what's the name of the file. And one more thing we need to use here is this is not given in here, so that is uh, so wait, let me show you that first. Okay, so after we need to pass their file name. uh, File name will be something like this, and in here also we need something called request comma response, or maybe I'm making some typo or something like that. Yeah, no, request comma file comma callback. Okay, so here we need to pass the callback, and with that we need to pass something called error. In this case we don't want any error, so it's okay. So in the file name we are just going to use something called but before that we need to import one module, which is path path module, which comes by default with the express framework, so we don't need to install that. So it's just you can import it right like that. Okay, path. So why we need that is to retain that extension of the file. Okay, so like we want something like this, and that file name should have some extension, and we don't want that while renaming that file we lose our original file. So in that case we need to remember that file extension. So in order to do so we use path module. So file dot uh, file name. After that we need to add that with dash or maybe underscore. Then what's that? Yeah, date dot now or whatever you can. But currently I'm using this one, like date dot now. Date dot sorry date dot now. uh, yeah, that's like okay. So date dot now, and after that we need to just get the extension of that file. So how we get that? It's ridiculously simple. So we can simply use path dot uh, get the extension name, this like extension name, and that we are going to pass that file name. Dot uh, file dot file name. Yeah, so this will be our name of our file. Okay, so this will give us the name of the file, and this is the destination of the file, and we are done with this right now. Okay, so next we need to use something called multer dot um, uh, let me I just sorry, upload. We need to get upload in here, by which we are going to upload that. So so we have to use sorry const upload uploader sorry uploader is equal to um, multer. In that storage will be equal to that storage whatever we have created right now. Okay, so we are done with uploader. Then we need to upload that image. So how we are going to upload that? Uploader dot single, and then that we need to pass the name of whatever our image we are saying. Like in this case I'm going to simply image dot dot um, upload. Wait. Uh, yeah, upload dot single and image, and then we can just simply pass it like that. And here we can simply pass request comma response comma and then a callback function. In that callback we can just simply pass, if there is some error we can pass that, and if there is some error we can simply return something like, if there is an error we are just going to return something like return list dot status like 400 um, dot and failed to upload file. This is if it fails to upload, otherwise it is going to upload that and you can see that. So um, otherwise we can just simply log that out, like how what is it showing me right now. We can do it whatever we can, and it will start files and we can simply see what the image it is uploading, and then we can simply return it as the status 200 dot json, and then we can simply say like this: message image uploaded successfully. Now image is uploaded successfully, and then we need to use our postman to test our API. um, so just opening our postman right now. Yeah, so let's create a new route, which is localhost colon 80 slash upload, and that you need to pass the body as like form data, not like form data, yeah, as form data. And in here we just need to see image in the file, and then select the image, something like downloads, and use any either of them. Open that and it is there. Select that. In that upload we need to pass something like post request, and now we are good to go. Just have the response, something is found. We see what's there. It's getting wrong. Yeah, valid type name string. Yeah, file or file name is like undefined maybe in here. Path argument must be of type string received undefined. Maybe our uh, file dot maybe log that file. Yeah, so let me log that file first. What is there? Okay, file dot field name, file dot original name. Okay. We need to pass the original name, not like file name. Sorry for that. File dot original name. Sorry. So so this is how you debug your code. You just logging out the console. So this is like that. Yeah, it is not uploaded. So you can again go there and just simply say, yeah, now image is uploaded successfully. It is saying me, and just you can just go there and you can see here that image is already uploaded. Okay, so this is how, and you can just see the name of that image, and it is like some date timestamp and that dot date timestamp and that dot jpg. You can name it and customize its name however you like. And so this is how you upload your image onto some kind of storage or something. You can upload videos also. So hope you like this video. If you like it, do hit a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching this video, and must share it with your friends so that they can also get any benefits if they are stuck on the same problem. So so thanks for watching this video.